It is Marker X 2007, and in this video I want to show you the central lock control for this car. You may find most mechanics when doesn't know the location of this central lock. You see, this is the central lock. But where is the location of the central lock control? This central lock control is located down here under the steering. Under the steering here. Inside. It has some fuse here. You see the fuse for Mark X here, but inside there is the central lock control. Central lock or door lock control. It is inside this one. So thanks for watching and subscribe.